fucking with the ghost.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Dre coming at you with a tutorial here on burying Shib through the crypto.com DeFi wallet. Note, when you do the Shibaswap through the crypto.com DeFi wallet, you will need at least $15 to $20 in Ethereum for the transaction fees. So make sure you have that in your wallet as well. So first thing you're going to do, guys, is press the little center crypto button in the middle. Go down to crypto wallet at the bottom right. And of course go to Shiba and hit transfer. And then you're going to withdraw. And then you're going to tap on crypto.com DeFi wallet. You're only able to do this after you link your DeFi wallet to your crypto.com app. So this, guys, is going to be how much I'm sending. This is my max amount. Note that they will take 5 million Shiba from you no matter how you're sending it, whether it's through the crypto.com DeFi wallet or to like a trust wallet, or even the Coinbase wallet. So no, you will be paying this fee, so you probably want to send as much as you can at one time. Alright, guys, so here's my DeFi wallet. As you can see, this is Shiba that is remaining after the transfer. So we're going to go to Shibaswap.com. Alright, so now we're here. So you tap connect wallet at the top right. You do wallet connect. So now it brings up the barcode, so you're going to need that. So I'm going to actually scan the code from a different device, so it'll just automatically pop up on the screen. Boom. My wallet's connected. So now I go over here to bury. Bury Shib. And then boom, see, it says I have available $426. That is my available Shib from my crypto.com DeFi wallet. So go ahead, stake 100%. Now, as you guys can see, it says total token 0. It says total dollar value amount $0. I'm not sure if it's supposed to say that. And my total buried Shib is 49,895,041. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks, guys. Peace.